We'll be celebrating St David's Day very soon on March the 1st, and St David said, do the little things. I'm going to disagree with him today and say, go large. You know, let's shout from the rooftops that we are Welsh, and that we're different, and we need different things from the world, and we can give different things to the world as well. And I'd like to think that Owen Glyndŵr said to Baron Grey Ruthyn, and I'm going to use those words now, bring it on. Mae Caryl yn ei am ganu heddiw yn amrywiol. I mean, the songs we're going to sing some of them have relevance to the theme of the day, some not, but if you want to draw your own conclusions, that's absolutely fine. Dwi'n mynd I ddechrau efo can o'r enw Adre, sydd yn rhyw fath yn gwneud sens yn y cyswllt yma, mwyn I ni gael dod a phopeth nôl adre I Gymru. Diolch. Os yw seren di ar y goll ar nos yn ddi, tir dadre nôl atai. Os yw'r storm yn codi dros erwau'r llyn, tir dadre nôl atai. Ac os nad yw'r wawr yn dwy'n golau Gaerdydd, tir dadre nôl atai. A heddiw byth am dadail di'n rhydd, tir dadre nôl atai. Gadir dadre ddi'n ddweud ffarwel wrth yr ofnau cyd. Gadydd gadir oedd adar yn rhydd drachem i'r edrych nôl. Pan fo'r poen ein cilio a throi nerth I ni, tir dadre nôl atai. Pan ddangos i'r byd pwy fyddi di o hyd, tir dadre nôl atai. Gad I bob un golau wedi, darwain nôl atai. I thought it would be appropriate to sing Flower Scotland this afternoon. I do love it. I was saying earlier on, I love the words of Flower Scotland because, oh Flower Scotland, when we see your life again, that died for me at Hill and Glen, and stood against it, and so on. Second verse, those days are gone now. And in the past, they must remain. But we can still rise now and be that stood against him. Proud Edward's army, they're not going to let it go. Manita, dyma'r ganol am yr rhan yma fyddwn ni'n canu mwy yn nes ymlaen. Ond dyma'n trefniad ni o Flower Scotland.
flower of Scotland, when will we see your like again, that fought and died for your wee bit hill and glen, and stood against him, proud Edward's army, and sent him homeward to think again. Those days are past now, and in the past they must remain.